Good morning, everybody. Just by the way, today is our first birthday as Galliper. So we're celebrating in this, this event with a pre-design seminar. I think it is of huge interest to architects, people from the industry, anyone who is related to construction, not only on the construction side, but also people who actually use construction will have a lot of interest in this concept. And we are very lucky to have with us Naresh Shah, who is also an ex-JJI like myself, and he is the president of the alumni of JJ, and he has over 35 years of experience in this in architecture, and he was in the US, where it is it is a preset notion that pre-design will be there for any construction that is carried out. While he came here, he realized that this is not really true in India. So we are kind of far behind, and we're trying to catch up in every possible way. This kind of matched with Galliper's interest also, because we are also trying to see that as an industry we are able to catch up with the rest of the world. With that notion, we have started Galliper, and pre-design kind of fits in perfectly. With Naresh Shah is Prasad Anakar. He's from Rachna Sansad, and he's also had 10 years of experience in pre-design in the US. And he and Naresh Shah have co-authored a book on pre-design. It's an introduction, it's the first in India. It's an introduction to pre-design, and we're very fortunate that the book was just launched like 3 days ago, and we have the first copies here. So this is also a mini book launch along with our birthday and the pre-design seminar. So that's a lot of things put together. So I think I'll hand over the mic to Prasad, to Naresh to take it forward.
Can you hear me at the back?
I can hear you.